Our day 3 will be spent whale watching. Perfect weather compared to the first day. Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon. Now we got amazing view of the harbor. We just left the circular quay, which is that, and now we're heading to open sea to look for whales. Beautiful views all around. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, 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 ganda. Three whales, eh? We just saw 3 whales.
There's a whale! There's a whale! Sobrang sulit. Sabi lang namin, gusto namin isa. Pero nakita kaming 7.
This is one of the best days in more than a month. Kasi not only do we get to see the whales, nakikita rin namin silang nagpi-play tsaka nagbi-breach at the same time. Sobrang sulit. Unique experience.
Sarap patulog.
Another Sydney highlight, Bondi Beach in winter. Normally gagawin namin yung 6 kilometer na Bondi to Coogee Walk. Kaya lang late kami nag-start 3:30. 3:30 tayo nag-start, no? It's 3:30 dahil nag-whale watching kami. No regrets, nakita kaming 7 whales. Pero hindi namin makukumpleto itong coastal walk. So I think we'll only do 2-3 minutes kasi ang sunset is 5 o'clock p.m. So ayun lang. Pero enjoy the view. Today is day 4 and Cece is now on her way to the airport. Oh. How's your 3 days?
Sulit. 3 days. First day, saan tayo nagpunta? First day. Nagkaroon kami city tour.
City tour.
Second day, Blue Mountain. Third day, nag-whale watching kami. Yung highlight. Then ngayon, fourth day, uwi na ako. Sulit. Gusto ko tumira dito. Homey yung feeling. Kahit maglakad ka ng gabi, saan ka pumunta, saka walang language barrier. Hindi ko lang maintindihan yung accent, pero okay naman.
Ang access sa airport is very convenient. However, dito sa Sydney, a bit expensive. Around $18 papunta sa airport. So pupunta kami ng Central. From Central, sasakay siya ng train punta sa airport. So that's it. And then she'll head home. Then Mom and I will continue for 3 more days. Today is Sunday and ang daming tao dito sa Circular Quay. The reason is because I think yung transportation nila unlimited for $2. Kung gusto mong gumala, you could go out on Sundays because that's the time when public transportation is the cheapest. Ang downside lang, kapag mura ang transportation, madaming tao. Andito kami, nakapila kami sa Wharf 3, papunta ng Manly Beach. And after 35 minutes by ferry, my mom and I have reached Manly. And since it's Sunday, markets are common here. we have something exactly like this at home. Since wala pa akong time masyadong mag-explore ng Bondi, I'd say Manly is a pretty cool area. Pretty nice. I like the vibe. And we are at the beach. It's actually too cold for me to get into the water. So enjoy lang kami sa pag-watch. Mga nagsisurf, may mga nag-beach. Titigas ng loob, tatapang ng laman. Now, time for lunch. We just finished attending a Hillsong service. We were invited by Pastor Aris Balatan, our pastor who is now based in Sydney, planting a church. So we've attended dito sa convention center nila. Next week will be Hillsong conference. Yeah, so
All over the world,
yeah.
they will be having here in this church.
And ang dami nung nagpupunta, iba't ibang klaseng tao. Yeah, so
The